the scarf you wore that night. Smells like you and smoke sometimes. Your laugh's a ghost in every room, but I talk like you're home. I sleep on your side of the bed. Your face still lives inside my head. I scrubbed your ash from my skin, but darling, you still burn within. I miss you like love without a song. I fake a smile, then cry when I'm alone. Tried moving on, but to what end? Your voice, your scent still remains. I found a box of notes we wrote, folded lies and hopeful quotes. I was the fire, you were the rain. We danced through joy and slept through pain. I've driven miles to lose your name, but silence always speaks the same, and even peace feels like shit if you're not here to sit with it. I miss you like love without a song. I fake a smile, then cry when I'm alone. Tried moving on, but to what end? Your voice, your scent still remains. I heard someone felt nothing at all, said I was fine, then punched the wall. They weren't you, they'll never be, just reminders for what's killing me. The world said heal, but it never met you. I've rebuilt, but the cracks still let you through. It's you, like love without a song. I fake a smile, then cry when I'm alone. Tried moving on, but to what end? Your voice, your scent still remains. If you hear this song where you are, know that I'm not that far.